Hello folks, we're back at Engage 2018, still on the SS Rotterdam. With me today is Andrew Manby from IBM. Andrew, a lot of the folks back home might not know your role within IBM, and especially in the new stuff around the new Domino versions. So can you give our viewers a little bit of an overview of what your job role is, what you're going to do?
Right, absolutely. Hi everyone. My name's Andrew Manby. I'm the Director of Product Management in the collaboration team, specifically focused on the Domino portfolio. So that includes same time verse and Domino.
Good stuff. So, Andrew, within the Canadian market for the last couple of years, we always had a very confusing time for a lot of customers that were a bit uncertain about the future of especially for the Domino portfolio. Everything is at the same time, and INOXes, all those kind of things. We've been hearing a lot over the last couple of months on the new investment that IBM is taking in that area and the partnership on HCL. Could you give us a little bit of an overview of what's the intentions behind that, what the future holds for the potential customers in that area, and what's to be expected from this new partnership and how this new life came into the product set?
Right, that's a big question. So for me, I think that everyone knew that there was a fabulous opportunity here with the Domino community. We knew that it was vibrant, it was exciting, and it was frankly solving a business problem. And I think the management team at IBM at the time saw an opportunity and were trying to think about the best way to do the right thing for the clients and do the right thing for the business, and looked at different sort of ways to be able to do that. And the partnership that came out of that with HCL, both from the structure of the partnership, so it's a win-win for both organizations, they're both vested in it, and the idea that we can come together, IBM on the go-to-market side, working very closely on the strategy, and then HCL delivering the support and the innovation and development of the product, could make a perfect match in the marketplace. I think the other thing for me would be really sort of thinking about, we have this Domino 2025 initiative. I've had leadership roles in marketing, in product management across a number of different markets, and I always look to see what are the lessons I can learn from other places. And I worked in Informix for a while. I was acquired into IBM, and then you think, well, what could you do to help this marketplace? And with that strategic partnership, you really have to sort of set a vision.
Okay.
Right, you have to set a vision, right? And then what that enables you to do is then think about incrementally, where you're going and where you need to make the investments. So we invented the Domino 2025 initiative because, frankly, this product's going to be around for a long time, right? And what we need to do is set the correct path for it. And on the back of that, then we created the Domino Jams. So that informed us exactly what we need to do immediately, but set us on the right path. So I think the idea about framing the vision, I think that's worked out quite well for us, and it's really helped to solidify, I think, and re-engage and excite the community.
Okay.
Right.
Very nice. So I got a lot of requests from people in Canada to say, hey, we're a small medium business company, and we certainly got some collaboration needs, and we're looking for a kind of a unified toolbox that could help us out. Frankly enough, a lot of them don't look at IBM for that portfolio. So what would be a key message from you to say, okay, you have to take a look at Domino 10 if you're in collaboration, if you have collaboration needs in your business. What would be the number one thing that you would say, okay, that's why you have to take a look at this product?
Yeah. So I've sort of traveled around in these different markets as I mentioned, and the thing that I'm continually impressed with is that all companies need to build applications, right? They can buy applications and they can build applications. There's the traditional way of building applications with a full stack, and then there are the types of applications that people need to build quickly. And the interesting thing is that Domino came about, effectively created the low-code and rapid application development market. It also created the first NoSQL document database at the time. But what's more important is that the value that clients get from the platform is they have a business problem to solve, they can build a solution, and they can build it quickly, and the cost of ownership is really cheap. And I haven't seen anything either in the full stack way of doing things with Mongo and Node and all these things that come anywhere close to what Domino can do. And also on the low-code side, those tools are very immature, and again, they don't have the strengths that Domino have in terms of doing it. So if you're looking for a solution to integrate with Office 365 or within your enterprise, and you have a request, something to do with the front office or back office part of your business, and you need to build it quickly, then there's no other better solution than Domino.
Cool. Andrew, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.